Hello everyone, welcome to Automation Community. In this session, we are going to see about some timer example. So before entering into the topic, kindly like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. So without any delay, we'll move on to the example. So example 1. When switch 1 is pressed, lamp 1 is on for 5 seconds and lamp 2 is on after 5 seconds. So here we have one input and two outputs. One has to turn on when the switch is immediately on. See, here they have given the word called for. For means what? It should only on for 5 seconds. After that, it has to off. And lamp 2 is on after 5 seconds of switch 1. So let's go to the CX programmer. So I have taken one switch here. So we'll add the lamp 1 first. Lamp 1, right? So this has to on immediately when the switch is on. Alright. So let's take the same input again and we'll turn on a timer. This is the on delay timer and I'm naming the timer as 0 and we'll give the time duration of 5 seconds. Since it is a 100 milliseconds timer, I have to give 50 here so that I will get 5 seconds. So alright, we got it. So connect the contact and the timer. Now this particular output have to turn on after 5 seconds. So what does that mean? With the timer, with the use of timer contact, I need to turn off this lamp 1. So what I can do, I can use the normally closed contact of our timer contact. That's it. So what will happen when the switch is on, immediately lamp will on. But the timer is also on. So after 5 seconds, the timer output will turn on. Using that particular output, I'm going to turn off lamp 1. Understood? So now what we have to do? So after timer has turned on, we have to turn on the lamp 2. That's it. Very simple timer example. So by using timer, we are going to turn on one input and turn off another, not input, output. By using a timer, we are going to turn on one of the output and turning off another output, turning on and turning off. Understood? So let's go for the simulation mode. So this lamp 1 is going to on only for 5 seconds and this is going to on after 5 seconds. So let's turn on our input. So this is immediately on. Okay. So this is on and after 5 seconds it will go off and a lamp 2 is going to turn on after the 5 seconds. Alright. So if we turn off, so everything will go off. So I'll repeat. I'm going to turn on this. This is going to on for 5 seconds and this is going to on after 5 seconds. So I hope you have understood this example. I'll meet you in the next session with another example. Thank you.